So here we are, market close on Friday. We're up 41,000 crowns for the day and some 118,000 crowns for the week. I'm using a Swedish broker, so all denominations are in Swedish krona, but we see that we end the week year to date at around 29,000 US dollars, which is shy of 273,000 Swedish crowns. Here we begin to see the divergence between the portfolio's performance and the general market. And we're performing a touch above 17% year to date, whilst major benchmarks around the world are deep in the red. This portfolio doesn't hold any meme stocks, crypto, or options trades. But as you'll see later on, I only hold US multinationals. I love traveling and I love investing, and in 2020, I engineered a strategy where I could do both. I spent all of 2020 putting pieces into play. And in August 2021, I went to work for the final time. So let's dive into how I actually achieved this outperformance. No surprise as to what the catalyst was. You can see that I own 3 of the super majors: Chevron, ExxonMobil, and Total Energies SE. And with the aggressive rise in the price of oil, it's bloated my oil plays out to 17% of portfolio. Exxon's the biggest holding in my portfolio, and we see that this year it's just exploded north. I also have 2 smaller positions in Total Energies SE and Chevron. My second biggest holding is Altria Group Inc., which is a tobacco company. Majority of my positions are in US multinationals, but I do have exposure to European markets. NN Group, Orange, and AXA make up about 17% of my portfolio. Here's a quick snapshot of what the portfolio has yielded, and we see that ExxonMobil and Altria are the biggest performers this year. We also see nice gains from companies such as Deere & Co, Lockheed Martin, and AT&T making a revival somewhat. But the biggest catalyst isn't actually the performance of these specific stocks. What we're looking at here is a currency relationship between the US dollar and the Swedish crown. This is on a monthly time frame, but if we zoom in to the daily time frame, we see what the catalyst is for this outperformance. At the crosshairs is the price in January at 9.013. The price at the top of the candlestick is the price at the close on Friday at 9.424. So it's the combination of the US assets outperforming the general market, compounded with the rise in the US dollar against the SEK that's causing this performance.